What's going on, mother truckers? So this is raw footage that was sent to me, but I just want everyone to know, for one, all you truck drivers out there, man, make sure you have a dash cam. Definitely, if you're going to get a dash cam, make sure you don't get a cheap one, right? Because people want to get dash cams, but then they get one that's like 480p. So when something happens, you won't be able to really see what's going on. But basically, the Houston police are looking for this guy that has a SUV Saturn pickup. You know, first mistake, any guy buying a Saturn SUV, I mean, he's probably got bad news as it is, right? But what's going on in this raw video footage is you're going to see this guy cut lanes, brake check a truck driver, stop on the middle of the highway, go to the truck driver, open his door, and try to swing at him. Right now, he misses horribly. But you're in Texas, man. All I have to say to the public is if you're in Texas, just know there's a lot of truck drivers that might not take it as well, and there might be a different outcome, if you know what I mean. You know, that's all I have to say about that. Houston police, they are looking for this guy. Saturn SUV. It's hard to see the license plate. Number two, definitely make sure that you actually lock your doors, okay? Because I can't say this enough. I've been showing you guys video footage and articles and news updates of people opening truck drivers' doors on the freeway. So I know you're in your truck. I know you feel that you're going to be safe, but lock your doors. But this right here is a situation, definitely where the truck driver was calm and collective, and that could have went a different way, for sure.